Welcome back to Grammar Grade 10. This is Unit 8, Lesson 56, and today our modifiers start comparing things. Back when we studied adjectives and adverbs, we learned that a modifier describes. Now we'll see that a modifier can also measure, and that it changes shape depending on how many things you hold up against each other. Tall, taller, tallest. 3 shapes, 3 different jobs. Let's sort them out. Most adjectives and adverbs have 3 forms, and grammar calls them the 3 degrees of comparison. The first is the positive degree. That is the plain dictionary form, and it simply describes one thing: a tall tree, a fast runner. The second is the comparative degree, and it compares exactly 2 things: the taller tree, the faster runner. The third is the superlative degree, and it compares 3 or more: the tallest tree in the park, the fastest runner on the team. Notice the pattern here because it is the heart of the lesson. The degree you pick matches how many things you are comparing. Let's put all 3 degrees side by side. Positive, comparative, superlative. 3 columns, and every modifier fills all 3. Tall gives us taller and tallest. Fast gives us faster and fastest. And careful, well, careful does not take an ending at all. It gives us more careful and most careful. Look across each row and you will see the same story told 3 different ways. 1 thing, then 2 things, then 3 or more. That little chart is the whole lesson in miniature. So how do you actually build the comparative and the superlative? Start by counting syllables. A 1-syllable modifier simply adds an ending. ER when you compare 2 things, and EEST when you compare 3 or more. Tall becomes taller, then tallest. Fast becomes faster, then fastest. Now, 2-syllable modifiers are the tricky middle ground. Some of them take the endings. Happy becomes happier and happiest. Others would sound clumsy that way, so they use more and most instead. Careful becomes more careful and most careful. Here is a rule of thumb you can trust. Say the word out loud, and if the ER ending sounds awkward, use more. Once a modifier gets long, the endings stop working. Any modifier of 3 or more syllables always uses more and most. Beautiful becomes more beautiful and most beautiful. You would never say beautifuler, and your ear already knows it. The same goes for adverbs that end in ly. Almost every one of them takes more and most. Quickly becomes more quickly and most quickly. Carefully becomes more carefully and most carefully. So keep this pair in your pocket. Long words and ly adverbs reach for more and most, never for the short endings. There is one more wrinkle, and it is a spelling wrinkle. When you add er or eest, the spelling of the word sometimes shifts. If the modifier ends in a silent e, drop that e before you add the ending. Nice becomes nicer, then nicest, not nicer, with 2 vowels crashing together. If the modifier ends in a single consonant right after a short vowel, double that consonant. Big becomes bigger, then biggest. And if the modifier ends in a Y after a consonant, change the Y to an I. Happy becomes happier, then happiest. These are the same spelling habits you already use elsewhere in English, so they should feel familiar. Now here is the decision that matters most, and it is the one people slip on all the time. Use the comparative when you compare exactly two things, and save the superlative for 3 or more. Look at this sentence. Of the 2 runners, Anna is faster. 2 runners. So faster, the comparative, is exactly right. It would be wrong to say Anna is the fastest of the 2. But now change the number. Of the 6 runners, Anna is fastest. There are more than 2 in the race, so the superlative is the form we want. Count the things being compared before you choose. 2 takes the comparative. 3 or more takes the superlative. Let's turn all of that into a quick check you can run in about a second. First question, how many things am I comparing? If it is 2, I need the comparative. If it is 3 or more, I need the superlative. Second question, how long is the word? A short word takes ER or EST. A long word, or any adverb ending in ly, takes more or most. And one last tool for your kit. When you want to show less of a quality instead of more, use less and least. Less patient, least patient. Same 3 degrees, simply running the other way. Run those checks and comparison will never trip you up. Ready to practice? Time to practice. In this first set, I will give you a sentence with a modifier missing, and you decide which degree it needs. Count the things being compared. Pause the video and choose before I reveal each answer. Of the 2 puppies, the beagle is blank, using the word small. Count them. 2 puppies, and 2 always calls for the comparative. Small is 1 syllable, so it simply takes the ER ending. The answer is smaller. Of all 9 climbers, Mira was the blank, from the word brave. 9 climbers is well past 2, so this one needs the superlative. Brave is 1 syllable, so it takes EST, and that silent E simply drops away. The answer is bravest. This trail is blank than the other one, using dangerous. The word than tells us 2 trails are being weighed against each other, so we want the comparative. But dangerous has 3 syllables, and long words never take the short ending. The answer is more dangerous. In this second set, every item is about the form of the word itself, the endings, the spelling shifts, and the words that reach for more and most. Read each one carefully, decide, and then I will show you the answer. Give me the comparative of happy. Happy has 2 syllables, and it is one of the 2-syllable words that does take the ending. But watch the spelling. The word ends in a Y after a consonant, so that Y changes to an I. The answer is happier. Give me the superlative of quickly. Quickly is an adverb ending in ly, and those almost always reach for more and most. So the superlative is certainly not quickliest. The answer is most quickly. Give me the comparative of big. Big is 1 syllable, so it takes the ER ending. But it ends in a single consonant sitting right after a short vowel, which means we double that consonant before we add the ending. The answer is bigger with 2 G's. Let's gather it all up. Every modifier carries 3 degrees. The positive form simply describes 1 thing. The comparative compares exactly 2, and the superlative compares 3 or more. To build them, count syllables. Short words add ER and EST, while long words and adverbs ending in ly take more and most. And keep an eye on the spelling. Drop the silent E, double a final consonant after a short vowel, and change a Y to an I. Use less and least whenever you want to go the other direction. That is the 3 degrees of comparison. In our next lesson, we will meet the stubborn modifiers that refuse to follow any of these rules, the irregular ones. I will see you there.